Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and this is your one and only CEO Kelvin, where we say well at hand. Now, a lot of people have been asking, how do you make money online, or how do you start making money online if you are a complete beginner? So for this case, we are going to use our smartphone, and it is a very easy task for you to earn money online. So long as you have an internet and you have Chrome, that is the web. For our case, we are going to use the Chrome, and now we can try something that we most of you have heard of, or if you have not heard of, I will put a link in the description of this video for you to earn money online or to earn passive income. So I want you to go to your phone and search Silencio Voice AI. So basically, if you can train an AI, this is an AI training job where you are in a position to use the language. You can select maybe Swahili, English, and once you create an account, you are going to start earning in Silencio AI, and they give you in coins form. So for our case, we are going to just log in. We have an account, and we just log in. And if you don't have an account, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video for you to have a bonus added to your account. So you can see basically it is where you record in specific languages. Basically, you use your voice and answer questions that are there. So for example, you can see we have one qualify, that is 1, shareable is 139, and completed is 0. So for my case, I selected speak in Swahili, and this is new for those who understand Swahili, but we have different languages that you can also learn or translate. Okay, so for every for every task you do, you earn a 10% bonus coins in the translation. So now I'm going to you to let's place on the continue. Okay, and we are going to give it some few minutes. Okay, now speak in Swahili. You can see earning is 20% more. We have already completed 5 of 688 recordings, that is a total of 1%. Okay, now for this case, you can see down here, once you scroll down, you can see you can talk about anything within the topic. So what are you supposed to do? So what you are supposed to do is you have to make sure you answer these questions. For example, je, unapenda sanaa ya aina gani? So it depends with the language that you have selected. That is, if you know French, you can select French. If you want English, you do English. Or any other language, you have French, we have Italian, Spanish, and all those languages. So once you are very conversant with the language, what you are supposed to do is make sure that you click on the start recording. Okay, click on start recording, and once you record, between 20 seconds and 5 minutes is the maximum. So you place on a record, and you are going to submit. Okay, let's do this. Start recording. Here, maximum time reached, that is okay, we have data quality issue, basically because I'm also using my mic to record this. Okay, So that is how you earn. You can see the total earned is 33,000 coins. In review is 33,000 coins. And if you want to withdraw, you just click on claim, and you are going to use the ERC20 wallet on Peak network. Okay, now you can, once you come to the in-app coins, you can see we have 0 rejected, 0 claimed, 0 ready, and in review we have a total of 33,000 coins in Silencio Voice AI. So once you click on this, you can see we have train AI. We also have opportunities. Okay, opportunities are down here. Okay, and I'm going to put a link in the description of this video for you to earn in your smartphone. You can also use your laptop. Okay, so once you click on this, click on train AI. Okay, you can select the language here. It depends with what you applied for, but for my case, I selected Swahili as the language that I want. So free speech, and once you click on this, you can select all these. Let's say in English. You can also change the language. If you are used to French, you can see everything changes to French. So for my case, because I understand English, I'm going to use English. Now, and what you are translating is that. So, okay. So, if you want to check anything, you just come to welcome to Silencio Voice AI. Before you begin, please take a few minutes to carefully read the presentation and watch the short videos provided. So you're just going to look at this white paper. Okay, opportunities are down here. You can see a total of 3.9k joined. Okay, you have for now I have only worked for 5 out of 1,000 hours. That is a total of 1%, but in the process we are going to do even more. Okay, so once you use the referral code that I'm going to use to put in the description of this video, you will get a 10% bonus for every task that you do. And in case you have a question, don't forget to comment in the comment section, and I will reply to you in every means. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share for more videos.